Yellowstone 1923 is a sequel to 1883, and we're more eager to learn about its first episode. What would it be about? What is it that makes 1923 stand out among the other seasons of the franchise? There are higher expectations set for 1923 Yellowstone, and we have predicted some of the things that we'll see in it. You should watch for the full video to learn everything about it. Before we do this together, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. When will the first episode be released? The show would premiere on the 18th of December 2022, and we're about to witness another spectacularly created Yellowstone prequel season, so mark your calendars. What would happen in the first episode? Before we talk about 1923, we must refer to the ending of 1833. The story of 1923 would follow the ending of that. Previously, we watched James Dutton, a personality whom we've only heard in Yellowstone most often, travel to the west with his family. We see two children of James Dutton and his wife traveling with him. However, we see Elsa, the only daughter of the family, dying at the end of Yellowstone 1883. James Dutton then goes on to establish Yellowstone Ranch. James Dutton passes away later in the show, and it gives power to Jacob Dutton. Jacob Dutton and his family would be the protagonists of 1923. Harrison Ford would play Jacob Dutton, and Helen Barron will play the wife of Thakara. James Dutton would also be a grown-up in 1923. James Badge Dale will play him, and Marley Shelton